Hello my busy bees, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is little different. I will show you how to be efficient and make instant chicken when you have very little time. First heat the pan and add some oil. I'm not gonna tell you the exact amount and time because it depends on how much heat your stove provides and of course your taste preference. When the oil is hot, add bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamom and a few cloves. After that, stir them well. When the color changes, add chicken pieces little by little. Keep stirring till it becomes white. Add turmeric powder when the chicken doesn't look raw anymore. Then add cumin powder. Coriander powder. Garam masala powder. Now cut a dry red chili in the chicken. It's up to you. You can cut more than one. That depends on how spicy you want. It's time to add water, otherwise the dry spices will burn. Stir well. Now this is the time for secret ingredient. This is not secret anymore. I am adding the instant chicken masala I made before. I will give you the link for the instant chicken masala recipe in this video and also in the description box. This masala will make your life easy, trust me. as much as you want, depends on how rich you want it to be. We don't have to add extra salt in this preparation because the instant chicken masala has plenty of salt for this chicken. Speaking of which, you can always check if you need extra salt or not. Now cover for a few minutes and then check how well they are cooked. Okay, this is totally optional, but I definitely like little sugar in my chicken. After that, add some dry fried onion into it. You can make it at home or just buy it like me. Mix it well. Can you smell it? Add a little garam masala now. Cover the lid and cook till it is done. Transfer it into a container and our instant chicken is ready. You can trust me on this, it tastes delicious. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and click the like button and also the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. I am coming with new videos every week, so stay tuned. Bye.